Hello again and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have another unboxing video where I'm going to be unboxing these free packs here in front of me. So let's get things started. Let's start with the one in the middle. Once again, we're just going to tear open the box because that's what they want us to do apparently, because they use so much glue on them. Ugh. Well, there we go then. So I was on holiday recently, as some people probably know from watching my channel. I made a big deal out of it. Camper car, and then that went well. Well, actually, you probably haven't seen that video yet. I don't even know. But yeah, we did have a really awesome peg hunt while up there, and yeah, got some nice free packs. So to start things off, we've got this really cool looking fancy car. Will it have a name? Azella? Ah, that's pretty cool. No window on the side, which I find a bit weird. Let's move them so the camera might focus better. I don't know. I'm not a fan of not having the window on the sides, not gonna lie. Interesting wheels. They're pretty cool. I like the design. Front end looks really cool. I like that. I like this sort of opaque plastic line there. And on the rear, nice little spoiler. I like the square rear lights, and the rear sort of splitter down there looks so cool. I like that. The main reason I bought this was, one, I haven't got one in my collection, and two, I really wanted to have a go at trying to use some sort of light. Something to try and light up the front there. To try and get that to light up. It's annoying that it's orange, so whatever I do, it's going to have this orange tint to it. It looks pretty difficult because light will probably just come out from the gaps down there, but if I can get it to just light up that bar, that'd be so cool. I'll be very scared to undo this though. That's for sure. And of course we've got the rear lights there as well, which would be cool, lit up. But obviously, yeah, I've only got one, so I'm going to be quite scared, as I paid quite a lot of money for the 5-pack for this. But I'm sure we'll give it a go, and hopefully it'll go well. That'll look cool if I can achieve that. But yeah, this is a cool fancy car. I do like it. The other two cars in the pack, we've got a Fast Felion. This looks pretty cool. I've actually already got one of these out of a 10-pack, which I'm sure I have reviewed already. But overall, it's a pretty cool car. I love the I like the detail on this, the decal on the side. I think that looks pretty cool. Pretty cool car. And we got an awesome Dodge Viper. Nice with the black and the red wheels, red and grey stripes, and that red interior as well. Yep, I've already got both of these cars out of a 10-pack at some point, or a 9-pack, so I'm going to be gifting these to my brother, as he really wanted the Viper. So yeah, I'm sure he will enjoy them. So, 3-pack number 2. I do quite like the 3-packs, they're pretty cool. I only ever see them randomly at TK Maxx, so it's just one of those odd things that I just don't find in the UK, except for one random shop, and they randomly get them in as well. Don't know where they get them from or why they get them in so randomly, but that's just how it is apparently. This is so annoying. I hate opening these. There we go. back into another 5-pack. So, let's start things off with this car. Do I know what it is? Nope. Fair Lady 2000. Ah. That looks pretty neat. I quite like that. It's, camera makes it look a little bit orange. It's more of a light yellow. Can I trick it with the Lambo? I was hoping I could trick it with the Lambo because it might change the colour. I don't know. But yeah, it's more of a... It is an orangey yellow, but it is more of a yellow nonetheless. Slightly orangish yellow. Actually, the more I look at it, the more I see orange. It's weird. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I actually like this. It's nice. Pretty cool die cast. I like the details of the lights. Pretty good detail on the front. Haven't got any tampos, but we've got a lot of liveries on the sides. Nice stripes across the roof, hood and trunk. Stripes on the sides, so number 2. Some little brands on the side. Yoko. Can't quite read. Was that Kunai? I can't see them very well. The Hot Wheels logo. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We've got those sort of steel wheels as well. Chrome around the outside. They look pretty good like that. I really like that. Sort of like a number plate on the front as well, look. That's cool. Next up, we're going in reverse order here. An awesome Honda NSX. All rear light details. That's nice. That's really cool. It looks a little bit more orange out of the box, but still got quite a bit of red on the camera. This would look so cool in red though, not gonna lie. I don't really like this dark orange that much. Pretty good detail on the front, like the splitter. I mean, it's an NSX, isn't it? Awesome, awesome car. Looks a little bit scuffed on the top there. Probably where it's been in the box and rattled about and dropped on the floor. Nice grey stripes. Quite subtle grey stripes on the side there. And we've got orange around the wheels. Looks pretty neat. I like that. The rear light details make it all the better. And the star car of the pack, for sure. This really, really nice looking yellow Lambo. Cool. Nice rear light details. Looking really good. In the right place. That's really good, that. Nice little Lamborghini logo there. How they printed that small is beyond me. Got a little window into the rear engine bay there. That's really cool. I like that. That's nice, that. Not a fan of these wheels as much. In fact, that doesn't roll very well. Ugh. You can hear it on it. Yeah, it doesn't roll very well at all. Strange. Not sure what's going on with that. That rolls alright. It's just that wheel there. Seems to be rubbing on something. Front ones are better though. Shame about that, but I'm not going to be racing down a track, so I'm not too fussed. Liking the darker tint with the tan interior. That looks pretty cool. Nice looking interior. Screen could do with a little polish, as they usually could. Looking a bit scratched up. Nice front details. Got some paint in the front bumper there, and of course the logo and the front light details. That looks awesome. I really like that. Definitely worth buying it. This was the main reason I bought this pack, and for the NSX. Looking really cool. I like that. Shame about the wheels, but I mean, I'm not going to be driving it, so not too fussed. So, the final 3-pack, or the third 3-pack. 3-pack number 3. Lots of threes. We have this awesome Dodge Charger, so I'm just going to get straight into and open this. And I'm not even going to bother trying to open it nicely. I'm just going to go straight in and rip it apart, because it's just not working. Right, so let's start things off with this Porsche 356 Outlaw. This looks pretty cool. Nice big 50 written on the side on the hood there. In a nice gloss red. Can't quite read those tampos. I'm sure you can if you've got a big screen or you're watching the video. Looks pretty cool. I like the sort of orangey coppery colour on the outline of the wheels. Again, we've got the steely wheels, which looks really cool. Nice yellow stripes going over the lights. A little bit of detail. It's lacking on the detail side on this. A bit of detail on the back there, but it's kind of hard to see. Oh no, it's pretty cool, but it does lack a bit of detail. Not my favourite Porsche. Not going to lie. So, let's go on to that fantasy car. Does it say what it is? Futurismo. Does look pretty cool. Again, we've got that gloss red, which is really shiny. Camera's not having a fun time. Number 89. Nice big front splitter. Got red wheels on this one. Nice big side wings. Big ducktail spoiler on the back. That's really nice. Which you can see through. That's pretty cool. That I like the spoiler on that. The rear's pretty nice as well. Yeah, I mean it's a fantasy car. It's a race car. It's pretty cool, but I find it hard to review these sorts of fantasy cars. So, lastly, Dodge Challenger. Please be good. Please have good tampos. Please. So, the 1970s Dodge Challenger. Come on, camera, focus on it. I know it's glossy. So, for starters, I'm not sure on that side tampo. It looks, I feel like it should be going along this line. It looks a little bit messed up on the side. I'm not sure. It looks better on this side, so maybe I'll have to display it this side. I mean, it's not horribly bad. It does look a little bit out, but I don't think it's too bad. Stripes on the hood and the trunk seem good. The problem is I'm being very critical because I want this to be perfect. Rear end looks good. Love the ducktail spoiler. This is the variation I really like with the hood scoop as well. Front looks pretty good. Diecast might be a tad off. I'm being too critical, aren't I? Because it looks almost like it's a bit dented, but it's good enough. Front looks very good. Tampers are nice. This side I prefer for sure. Looks really cool. Again, we've got the steely wheels, which I think are awesome. I love those wheels. Really nice with the with the light blue outline. Yeah, this is cool. Nice black interior. Nice tinted windows. This is really nice. Obviously, I'm being really, really picky because I really want this to be perfect because this is the only one I'm going to get and I really love the Challengers. But to be fair, it's pretty good. The only niggles I have is that tampo there and it looks a little bit funny on the front. That's literally it. I still need to do a custom of a Dodge Challenger. It's just finding the one I want to customize and what do I want to do with it. But yeah, all in all, it's pretty cool. Oh, it's got a little Dodge badge at the back there. That's nice. Yeah, you can see here where this Dodge badge is a lot lower on this side than it is this side, so it's proof this goes up a bit high. But it's not too bad. I'm only noticing it because I'm really looking hard. I love this. It's a really nice deep blue with black. It is really cool. Really, really awesome design. And I love the Challengers, so it's just perfection. So cool. Really, really glad I've got this in my collection now. This is definitely going in the old display case. So there it is. There we have it for this free pack unboxing special. I really need a better display for the end of my video. Once I get my new recording setup done, which has been taking me forever, we should have a proper, decent display to put all the cars at the back and while I'm reviewing the next one. It'll be awesome. But for now, we have to make do. So anyway, that is sadly it. I hope you've enjoyed this little free pack unboxing. I've enjoyed it. Got a really, really awesome Dodge Challenger now. I absolutely love that car. So glad I've got it. And some other really awesome castings like these two here. Some nice fantasy castings. Awesome NSX. Pretty cool finds, and even my brother will be happy as he's going to get these as a gift. So yeah, please let me know down below which one of these is your favourite. What do you think of this Dodge Challenger? Because I love it. And of course, please drop a like on this video as I appreciate it greatly. And I hope you're all doing well. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time.